Trader Zelman here, August 14, 2018. The market is closed. Going to report on ticker symbol CELZ. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses. Ticker symbol CELZ. Actually, I had news today after the close. We saw it trail down to almost just under 3 cents, 0.029. It's looking for support around 0.025, right around here or so. And as you can see, I have the trend lines up, but news came up after the close. They cleared about an additional $270,000 in debt. They announced a few MDs, and there's some clinical trials that's supposed to take into place. For the individual that disagrees with my trading tactics, remember, I'm a trader. I find movements. I buy and sell based on movements. I protect my assets. If you're looking for something long-term, that's on you. Just allow my followers to know when I see buy signals and sell signals. It's up to you if you're interested in following the same tactics that I use. Anyhow, it's at roughly 0.0358, 0.036 where it closed. News came out after the close. I'm a little bit still on the skeptical on the long side, even though the news is good. We had a hammer here, but remember last hammer was a fake out. So what I want to see is just close above 4.5. You see this uptrend, this downtrend? This is what I'm relying on, this downtrend right here. If CELZ can close above it by any trading day, then I can give it a buy signal. Right now, I'm just a little skeptical. I know news came out. You know, it could go up for a day or two up to here and then just continue downwards. I want to make sure the downtrend is broken before I consider it as a long. So sit tight. Let's see what happens moving in tomorrow. Once again, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. Visit my site for upcoming live trading courses. The site is thetradingteacher.com.